How to delete your Xbox account. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to delete your Xbox account. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to open xbox.com on your web browser. Now tap on your profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Now you have to select My Microsoft account. Now this will open a new tab, and once you're on your account page, you have to tap on the profile icon again. Now you will reach on the section after tapping your profile and select Close Account at bottom right corner of this menu box. Now you need to simply scroll down and proceed towards Close Account button. Now you will get access to this section where you need to go through all of this information, and before you mark this account for closure, you will want to cancel current subscriptions, cancel any current business or additional services, and delete Microsoft Intraday, save your health records, and many more. And then you have to click the next button at bottom left corner of the screen once you are done. So this account becomes unrecoverable 60 days after you close the account. After 60 days, you will lose access to any services that uses the account for sign-in purpose. So simply you need to mark this every boxes after reading this all the informations. And once done, you need to proceed towards selecting the reason why you want to delete. And then click Mark Account for Closure at bottom left corner of the screen. Now you'll need to wait for a while and click on Done button. And after that, your account will be permanently deleted after 60 days. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.